US crude and nat gas both have traded bearish, but still both have not breached the sell levels which I mentioned in the morning update. 67.5 and 2.26 levels both are beautifully respected. Now what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading crude oil and nat gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Remember, this is the second update for the day. Those who watched the first update definitely would have profited. Also, you can get the live updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with nat gas. Do watch till the end. Now, crude on the hourly chart, see 67.5, very good support, and see it has seen a higher highs from here, but at the same time it is forming a downward channel, and hence if you see it trading below 67.5, you can again sell for 67.2, 67, and if it does trade below 67, you can expect that we are going to look forward to a very good break, as it is still in the phase of consolidation. Let's see how far it stretches. The more bullishness you can expect if it stays above 68.6 and then 69 levels. Beyond this, you can expect it to rise for 69.870. Stochastic is bottom, MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell, RSI almost flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour, likewise similar phenomena, see the rise retracement, lower highs, flat bottom is what you can see. Any drop below 67.5 will bring more bearishness till towards 67.2 and 67 levels, the first target, and then below that 66 is the next milestone. On the upside, remember, this is the 20 period moving average. Also, if you look at the moving averages, they have diverged enough, and hence couple of green candles should come, taking the price till towards 69.70, and from there we'll see how it behaves. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is trading in green with little divergence, and this is third wave here. Let's see if it continues on the upside. RSI at bottom here too, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similar is the observation here. You can see two sharp green candles, lower highs here. Yes, lower highs, which means 68.6 is the only level beyond which you should buy, and 67.5 is the only level below which you can sell. But then till 67 there is very good support, because below 67 it is going to give it a sharper fall there. Stochastic at bottom, MACD first wave, second wave, it is stabilized here, possibly a crossover will bring the bullishness. RSI at bottom, and on the 4-hour charts, likewise lower highs, flat bottom. Just be watchful of 67.5, below which only you can expect a drop. Else what has happened here, 2 red candle, 2 green candle, 1 red candle, 2 green candle, it can consolidate in this zone before looking forward to a breakout. Stochastic at bottom, trying to trade with bearish bias. RSI almost flat at bottom again. And if you look at the daily, now see on the daily chart, the candle is red. It failed to stay above 69. It has seen a good drop here, and if it stays below 67, you can expect this much bigger candle can be seen there. Be careful of 67 levels. Below 67 we can expect 66, and in fact it can drop for 64 also. Why? It has come out of this consolidation and retracement zone. It has taken a shape. However, the previous candle is important, because if it trades above 70, that should be a reversal sign for crude oil, and hence you can buy at 68.5 levels. Expect 68.8, 69 as the first target, 69.2 as the first targets, and then 69.8, 70 as the next targets. Stochastic oversold, MACD has crossed over again, trading with little divergence, and it is bearish. RSI at bottom, considering this a sell at 67.5 and a buy at 68.5. In between this $1, do not take any position. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at nat gas, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 22nd mentorship batch starts on 2nd of June. Register yourself. 5th of June, register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group, where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now on the hourly chart, see after a sharp drop retracement, and then now net gas has retraced again, has given lower lows till 2.6, and yes, now 2.63 zone is something we have to be careful about. We should not take in between this. Any move about 2.3 and then 2.3635 levels is something we can expect is to get the maximum resistance. 2.3 to 2.36 zone, you should something watch out for. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading, see beautifully here at the bottom. It has not yet taken a flight here. RSI at bottom, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, Once again, classical move continuing here. You can see this is nothing can be more classical than what net gas has given here. It is still trading in this bearish channel. The highs of this channel you can find out are at now 2.42 levels, and the bottom is almost done. Staying below 2.26, you can sell again. Rather, I will say 2.25 you should wait for. Below that, you can expect 2.22 and 2.2 levels. Stochastic looking down, MACD at bottom, RSI at bottom, and on 3-hour. Similar is the observation at max. If it tries to converge and breaks past 2.3, you can expect 2.32 and 2.35 zone, giving it the maximum resistance. Stochastic is seen rising from the oversold levels, MACD not indicative of anything, RSI at bottom. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation, but look at the 4-hour chart, see bigger candle, almost same size, a little smaller and a little smaller. It also indicates that this can bring a bigger green candle here. Be careful here. If it reverses beyond 2.3, certainly one should stay long. Stochastic oversold, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. Let's see if it crosses over and trades with divergence. RSI trading near to the bottom, near to oversold levels. Now look at the daily chart. See what it has done. It has achieved lower lows. Yes, this is done, aligned beautifully. A possibility of a reversal exists, specifically if it stays above 2.3 levels. Yes, you can buy here at 2.29 itself, expect 2.3, 2.32, and once it stays beyond 2.32, we can consider that it is reversed and more bullishness may prevail. Now remember, the bearishness here is consistently diminished. Almost lower lows are done, and hence lower highs, which means 2.38, 2.4 can also be seen if it reverses from here. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is still divergent and bearish, but candle size have flattened. Possibly it must converge, which means a greener candle today. RSI is looking down, trying to trade with slight bearish bias. Hence, you can buy here at 2.28, but then 2.3 is something I will wait for it to break out. 2.33 to 33 first resistance, and then 3536 the next resistance zone. Staying above this 2.38 and 2.4 levels. Once it breaks past 2.4, that is the reversal sign beyond which it is going to fly high, and hence till 2.4 one has to strictly trade with a trailing stop loss. On the downside, sell at 2.25, expect 2.2 to 2.2 first support levels, and below 2.2 we can again expect a very good drop. Hence take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.